Cesar Rehab compelled to lead. Pass to begin. Hallelujah. Danori inside. My cup of tea. Then followed by Mamika and Len is the early trailer. We have compelled to lead the leader by about 3 lengths. And in second position is Mamika. And racing in third. Hallelujah. My cup of tea and Len. Red still compelled to lead by Oraling Kanihapa. Trying to get closer now. In second is Mamika. 3 lengths away in third. Hallelujah. Down in fourth comes My Cup of Tea and Len. Red still compelled to lead. Then on the outside now is Mamika. This time 2 runners fighting it out for the lead. But Red still compelled to lead. Then on the outside is Mamika. Hallelujah in third. And here comes Len in fourth. Down on the inside is My Cup of Tea. Red still compelled to lead, followed by Mamika. Len is down on the inside, third My Cup of Tea. Red still compelled to lead, then on the outside Mamika. Len is running by the rail, My Cup of Tea in fourth. As they come down at the last 150, compelled to lead, then on the outside Mamika. Len moving up down on the inside now. It's now Mamika compelled to lead, Len is on the outside. Mamika compelled to lead. Len is on the outside. But it's still Mamika. Followed now on the outside by Len. Entering the vision. It's going to be Mamika. Len compelled to lead. My Cup of Tea. Hallelujah.
352. Alright, so it was Mamika.